Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. This is 1,883 square meters. Second lot from National Highway. Ideal for apartment development. Located in Barangay San Isidro, Talibon, Bohol. So, this is part of San Isidro and ang atbang is San Jose. So, that is the situation guys, no? Very close from the hospital. So, hospital ang dool ani and other commercial center. So, the road right of way is 4 meters wide. So, kilid siya sa kilid siya sa kanang tawag og construction company. Ang lumber ba, kilid siya sa hardware. So ato ning gibalikan kay gilist naman ni nato. Ato ning gibalik guys, no. So mao ni ang neighborhood, no, duol sa Yamaha ay mga kuan ba. This is really ideal for apartment or boarding house development. Okay. So okay gyud ni kaayo for investment. The price is 5,000 pesos per square meter, negotiable. So pwede pa ni mahangyo guys. Ang gusto sa owner nga for sale, pero kung mo kuan gyud ta, mo hangyo gyud ta, make an offer na lang, no, kay mama pag gusto niya mo offer lang gyud ta. So atbang siya og mga hardware ya, murag diha toy nag-offer kaning taga hardware, no, pero mura man og wa sila magkasabot. Ba naman ka. So basta gi-offer na nila pero wala sila nagkasabot sa presyo. So mao ni ang road right of way, basta mubo ra gyud kayo guys. So dire, no, mao gini ang dako nga diyan na dire ni bukad guys. So this is, imagine, it is almost 2,000 square meters. You can make more houses inside for apartment or whatever. Usually apartment gyud or boarding house gyud ang ngayan diya kay few minutes away or few minutes drive from Talibon, kanang gitawag TPC school at kanang mura pod og State University ba nya, BIT College, dool ra gyud siya kaayo nya, Arikas-pikas hospital. So nindot guys, nindot yun. So pwede ganin na ibuhaton og pension house kay kuan ra man siya kanang dako man gyud ang lugar niya, as in. So unsa pay gusto na may tabo diha dapita. So daghan tag pwede may tabo diha, no. So flat terrain nya, there is a deep well inside. So pwede di ka magpa-connect og water line connection. So no need to connect a water line connection kay kuan man. So there are 2 coconut trees. So gusto ni owner, balik ko na to, make an offer na lang kay magpahangyo man siya sa 5,000 pesos per square meter nya. Clean title ni siya guys, clean title. Second lot lang gyud siya sa highway, kay na highway pa gyud ni wa gyud problema, dali ra pod ni mahalin. Pero sige lang, at least, no, wala pa man gyud siya mahalin. So nindot. This is really a good investment. Talibon is a northern part of Bohol province, no, which has malls, progressive town, first class municipality in northern Bohol. Then there are malls, shopping malls. Then seaport for Cebu. Private school. So daghano private international school. So very progressive yan. Yeah, few minutes walk o basta dool ra kayo. Mga more or less mga 50 meters away from the, or 100 meters away from the hospital, provincial hospital in Talibon. So dool gyud kaayo guys, no. Then Sa terminal dito ra pod, few minutes drive ra pod. Kay naman sa San Jose. So atbang nga side. So very good investment. Ya 5,000 per square meter man ang asking price, mao lagi to. Let's make an offer na lang. Okay. Owner is in Europe, tuwa sa Germany. Ya. If ever no, make sure lang ta nga ang palit yun tani, siguro maghimo tani o earnest money kay di man po siya muli kung wala gyud siya di sure nga naay mo palit. So mo na di sure nga kuan, so man na iyahan ko. So this is the kuan guys no, the deep well. So nagitubig guys. So okay sad ni kaayo, as in this is the deep well. Yeah. Ang adjacent is hardware no. Wala sila magkasabot sa presyo. Ay ba naman po kalagi. Hangyo lobo. Yeah, di masad tumusugot sad. Okay. Malkanse man kuno pod. Di masad yung di jud magpaalkanse. Magpahangyo. Magpahangyo ra gyud siya guys, pero at a proper or fair price. Okay? For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title. So, muna siya guys. So, ang yuta guys, kwadrado na diri sa sulod. Okay, cute kayo. So, muna ang outside no. Muna ni nakanindot. Yan, National Highway. That is the National Highway guys. Yan, nadiya dapit ang hospital. Yan, hardware. Nag-atbang ang hardware guys. Yan, few minutes drive from town proper. Okay? Thank you.